Welcome to A-Team Support. Today we're going to be discussing basic Zoom training, how to set up your own account, and how to utilize Zoom to better communicate with your downline and potential customers. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is to pull up your browser. I use Mac, so mine is Safari, but Zoom works with all browsers. Go to the address line or the address bar and type in zoom.us. That's ZOOM.us. Then hit enter. This will take you to the Zoom platform where you can sign up for your free video conferencing account. You'll need a current email address because as soon as you hit sign up for free, it'll send you an email to confirm that it is in fact you wanting a Zoom account. Now go to your email that Zoom sent you so that you can activate your account. Once you click here, it will take you to the very next page welcoming you to Zoom. And this is where you actually enroll. You'll type in your name, your last name, and it'll ask you to enter a password twice. So I suggest you write it down and then simply hit continue, and you will be ready to start your first meeting. After you click on Start My Meeting Now, Zoom will take you to one more prompt, and that is offering a download of one of their icons so that you can locate it on your computer to make your access very easy. Last thing before starting your first Zoom meeting is making a decision whether a basic free program or a professional program. So with my application open, I'll just click on Start with Video. And here we are, and there you are, and how are you? And let's organize this a little bit. First two things I want to show you is how to mute yourself. It's at the very bottom of the screen. Right here, you'll see the microphone. The microphone is live, and that's why it's jumping. I'll just click on that microphone, and if I was actually in the Zoom program, my sound would be deadened. And if I've got noise going on in the room, I might need to mute my mic, especially when there's a large conference going on. And I'll just open that back up. Then with video, it's the same thing. If you're having a bad hair day or you just won't want to be on the screen, just click on the video and the picture you have in your profile will come up, and that can be just about anything you want it to be. Before we finish up, let me show you a couple of other things that you can do with your basic free Zoom account. If you need to invite somebody to a meeting, there is an icon on the menu bar that says invite, has a little person's head on there. When you click on invite, it literally brings up the email that you have on this computer. Click on your email account and it will open up your email, and here you can type in an individual and send them right from here an invitation. It has all the information that they need to know to get onto the meeting right now. This is very handy. There we go. This is very handy if you have a situation where somebody is texting you or calling in and they don't know how to get onto the meeting. You don't have to stop the meeting. You can literally invite them from Zoom, and that gives them all the information they need to get on to that particular meeting with you. I hope this training has been helpful for you. I sure appreciate A-Team Support and all that they do for each and every one of us. God bless you guys.